Hey everyone, Lindsay here with Nerd News Social covering some more CES products. Here we're going to check out the newest product by Euro CB Philippines, their SkiTooth hands-free kit for skiers and snowboarders. Let's check it out. This right here is one of their latest products that they're showing off at CES, the SkiTooth. So let's go into the price point, some key features, what I like most, and how to use it. The SkiTooth will be available in Q1 of 2021. It's going to be roughly 69 euros, and that roughly translates to about 83 US dollars. What I love about this product is its 15 hours of use. Another thing is it's very lightweight. There's only 2 buttons and a charging port. It's very easy to use, and it works with Siri and Okay Google. After you charge it and you're ready to go, it's as easy as just clipping it on to the pads. The controls will be on your right ear. You just separate it, making sure that the speaker is on the inside of the helmet and the controls are on the outside. Right ear complete, and now you do the same thing to the left ear. And like that, you're ready to go. It fits universally on any helmet, just by clipping on. Your phone just stays in your pocket and you're able to adjust volume, answer phone calls, talk to Siri and Okay Google. And as easy as they are to put on, they are just as easy to take off. The Bluetooth quality is really good, even with it in my pocket. Everything else about this feels very nice and high quality, nice texture to them, especially when you're wearing gloves and need to feel your way. I'm really excited to be using this for the next snowboarding season, and I hope you guys will check out not just Euro CB, but this product, the SkiTooth, as well. Thank you all for watching. This is Lindsay at Nerd News Social covering CES with Euro CB's latest product, the SkiTooth headset. If you want more CES, more conventions, more nerdiness, be sure to like and subscribe. If you want more from me, be sure to check out nerdnewssocial.com every Wednesday for a comic book related article. All right, guys, until next time, this is Lindsay at Nerd News Social.